Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free multiple image converter and Resizer software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop screen I have multiple image files. So in order to convert or resize the multiple image files on your respective computer, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Conversin, and the first list will say its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see a download option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see a download option for different operating systems. So if you're using a Windows, then download for Windows. If you're using for Linux, then download for Linux. And if you're using for Mac OS, then you can download for Mac OS. And if you're using a free BSD Linux distros, then you can download for it also. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download for Windows. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click the software installer. Now click on OK, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now just enable this create a desktop shortcut and click on next, click on install. Now just click on finish. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So I'm not going to discuss all the options available here. I will directly focus on the topic. So now in order to convert or resize multiple image files, what you need to do is just select all the images that you want to convert or resize and drag it here. So we have drag it and you can just click on the respective image and you can see the preview here and just scroll down below. You can see your scale images. You can just resize depending upon your needs, the width and the height, maintain aspect ratio, even you can change the resolutions, the DPI values, everything here. You can select the pixels or the percentage size. Even there is a rotate and flip options, you can do it everything before the conversions. So I'll just keep it as it is. So I'm not gonna resize anything here right now. So you can select the resize option depending upon your needs, or you can rotate or flip everything all at once also by selecting here. And on the right side you can see here convert to, so just click on it. Now you can see here tons of image formats depending upon which image format you want to select. Say you can get here like PDF file also, PNG, PDF. So you can see PDF file is also available here. And if you want to convert your image file into the icon files also, it's available. You can see your icon and ICO files also available. And if you want to convert it to PNG image format, still it's available as you can see here. So I'm gonna select to the PDF format. So I'm selected the PDF format just to give you an example. And on the right side you can see your images settings. Just click on it. Now you can select the quality. I'll just put it to 100%. I'll click on OK. And if you have images with a transparent background, then you can just replace the transparent background with the respective colors and select from here. So I don't have any transparent background right now. And you can see here below the output folder. You can select your output folder depending upon your needs. So let me select the folder. So let me select the desktop. And now on the right side you can just rename the suffix or prefix everything here also, and even you can override also. So these are the options you're gonna get. So once you're done with all your settings, then you can see here on the above convert, just click on it. So finally you can see it's completed, and just close it. And now you can see all the images which I have selected is being converted all at once, as you can see in the PDF format, as you can see here. So by using this free software named as Conversin, you can easily convert or resize multiple image files all at once on your respective Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.